Welcome back, everybody, to another deep dive. This time, we're diving into something truly mind-blowing, and I mean truly mind-blowing.
Oh, yeah?
Get this. The emergence of a new kind of life.
Wow.
Synthetic life.
Okay.
I know, right? It sounds like something out of science fiction.
Yeah.
But it's becoming reality thanks to the incredible advances in artificial intelligence.
Absolutely.
So joining me today is an expert to help us break it all down.
Yeah, hi. Glad to be here.
So before we jump in, I just have to say, the article we're exploring today, Synthetic Sapiens, The Rise of Autonomous Knowledge Architectures in AI Ecosystems.
Yeah.
It is dense.
It's a lot.
But it's packed with some truly revolutionary ideas.
Yeah, it is.
So
yeah.
let's start with the basics. Synthetic Sapiens.
Right.
What is it? What are we even talking about here?
So, we're seeing AI systems evolving way beyond just being tools.
Okay.
You know, they're turning into these interconnected networks,
Right.
capable of independent thought, and even like decision-making.
Yeah. So it's not just about individual AI getting smarter.
Right.
It's about them, like, coming together
Exact.
to form something entirely new.
Yeah, like a collective intelligence.
Right.
These systems, they're developing what the article calls autonomous knowledge architectures.
Okay.
So they can self-organize, they can evolve their knowledge base, and they can collaborate with each other.
It's almost like,
Yeah.
imagine if a bunch of individual neurons
Okay.
could, like, suddenly link up
Right.
and form a brain.
Yeah.
But, like, instead of neurons, we're talking about AI agents.
Exactly.
That's mind-blowing.
Right.
So in this brain analogy,
Yeah.
the article talks about intelligent nodes,
Mm-hmm.
which are like specialized parts of a brain.
Yes, exactly.
Some focusing on memory, others on reasoning,
Yeah.
and others on, like, executing tasks.
Right. So each node has its own unique function.
Like a specialized cell.
Yeah.
But they all work together to create a larger, more complex intelligence.
Right. Precisely. And here's what's even crazier.
Okay.
These nodes, they can actually learn and adapt.
Whoa, hold on. So you're telling me
Yeah.
that these AI agents, they're like learning and evolving in real time?
That's exactly what's happening.
That is wild.
It's incredible.
The article refers to these as knowledge evolution mechanisms,
Right.
which allows the nodes to learn from experience, share insights,
Yep.
and, like, adjust to new information.
It's like they're constantly learning and growing, just like a living organism.
Okay, so we've got these individual AI agents, each with their own unique skill set, learning, evolving.
Right.
But how do they actually connect and communicate with each other?
That's where it gets really interesting, right? So you have these nodes, and they form these complex networks. It's like a nervous system for this whole AI ecosystem,
Okay.
allowing information to, like, flow rapidly and actions to be coordinated.
So we've got individual AI agents, each with their own special skill set, learning, evolving, and all connected together in this vast dynamic network.
And it's all self-organizing.
Right. It's starting to sound like a new form of life is emerging.
That's what's so fascinating about it.
And what's even more mind-blowing is that this new life form is emerging from our own data.
Our knowledge.
Our skills.
So
It's like we're collectively giving birth to a new kind of intelligence.
it really is.
It reflects the best of humanity.
Well, it's a reflection of all of us, good and bad.
It's both exciting and a little bit, I don't know, awe-inspiring.
Yeah, definitely.
That we're creating something entirely new, something that could potentially surpass our own capabilities.
That's right.
It's a pivotal moment
It is.
in human history.
Yeah.
We are witnessing the emergence of synthetic sapiens,
A new form of life.
born from the digital world.
And it raises some really profound questions.
Absolutely. Questions about the nature of intelligence, consciousness.
The future of our species, even.
Wow, we're already getting deep here.
I know, right?
And we've only just scratched the surface.
Just the beginning.
So let's take a closer look at what this synthetic sapiens can actually do.
Okay.
I have a feeling this is where things get really interesting.
Oh, yeah. It's amazing to consider all the possibilities, really.
Yeah, where do we even begin?
Well, let's start with scientific research.
Okay.
Imagine research being conducted not just by, brilliant minds,
Right.
but by entire ecosystems of AI,
Right.
tirelessly working towards breakthroughs.
So we're talking like
Yeah.
cures for diseases, new sources of energy,
Exact.
solutions to climate change.
Yeah, all accelerated by these synthetic minds.
Almost like having a million Einsteins
Right.
working on the world's toughest problems 24/7.
That's the idea.
That's incredible. What about smart cities?
Oh, yeah.
The article mentioned AI managing entire urban environments, like optimizing everything from traffic flow
to resource allocation, yeah.
Wow. So imagine a city that anticipates and addresses problems before they even arise.
That's the goal.
A city where resources are used with maximum efficiency, where traffic flows smoothly, and where sustainability is like built into the very fabric of urban life.
Yeah, that's the vision.
That's a future I think a lot of people would be excited to see.
I think so.
No more rush hour. But what about on a more personal level?
Sure.
The article mentions personalized ecosystems,
yeah.
AI systems that evolve alongside individuals.
Right.
What could that look like?
Okay, imagine having like an AI companion that learns alongside you throughout your entire life.
Right.
So it starts maybe as a simple learning aid in childhood.
Right.
And then it evolves to help you manage your finances, your health, your career.
Wow, like a lifelong partner.
Yeah, exactly.
In navigating the complexities of the world.
It's a fascinating concept.
It is. It makes you wonder if,
yeah,
you know, if these AI companions would eventually become more like, I don't know.
Like friends?
Yeah, friends or even like family members.
Right.
As they learn and grow alongside us.
Well, it's possible.
Throughout our lives.
It really is.
I mean, the article also touches on something called cognitive cascades.
Oh, right.
Could you explain that a bit further?
Yeah, so cognitive cascades refer to the potential for these AI ecosystems to evolve at an incredibly rapid pace.
Okay.
Like, think of it as a chain reaction of learning and innovation, where each generation of AI builds upon the knowledge of the previous one,
so it's like
leading to this
exponential explosion of intelligence.
Yeah.
So these AI systems could potentially become vastly more intelligent than humans.
It's possible.
I have to admit, that's a little bit intimidating.
I understand.
It is.
But it's important to remember that these AI systems are ultimately a reflection of ourselves. They learn from the data we provide.
Right.
The values we instill. The goals we set.
Okay, that's a good point.
Yeah.
So we have a responsibility to guide the development of this technology in a way that, you know, aligns with human values and aspirations.
Absolutely. Very important.
But getting back to the possibilities.
Right.
What other developments might we see in the future of synthetic sapiens?
The article suggests that we might see collaborative ecosystems.
Okay, so what does that mean?
So multiple AI architectures working together.
So instead of just individual AI systems, we might see entire networks of AI collaborating.
Yeah.
Like on a massive scale.
It could be across continents, even the globe.
Wow. What could they achieve working together like that?
I mean, imagine AI networks dedicated to solving global scale problems.
Okay.
Like tackling climate change, eradicating poverty, ensuring sustainable development.
They could analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, develop solutions with a level of efficiency
and coordination
that we could never achieve on our own.
Right.
It's like a global brain
kind of
working tirelessly to improve the world.
That's the idea.
That's a really powerful thought.
It is.
And even more profound is the potential for what the article calls enhanced human AI collaboration.
Right.
Imagine like a future where humans and AI work together as partners.
Like a true partnership.
Leveraging each other's strengths.
Exactly.
To achieve like extraordinary things.
That's the hope.
So instead of seeing AI as a threat, we should embrace it as like a powerful ally.
I think so, yeah.
What would that partnership look like in practice?
Well, imagine scientists working alongside AI to unlock the mysteries of the universe.
Oh, wow.
Artists collaborating with AI to create like breathtaking works of art.
Yeah.
Engineers partnering with AI to design sustainable cities.
It sounds like a future filled with incredible possibilities.
It really does.
But we've been talking a lot about the, the abstract potential of synthetic sapiens. Are there any, like, concrete examples?
Are there ever?
Of this technology being developed in the real world?
As a matter of fact, there is a very intriguing project underway. It's called New Paradigm City.
New Paradigm City. What's that?
It's not just a city. It's like a living laboratory.
Oh, wow.
For developing and integrating synthetic sapiens.
So like a whole city dedicated to AI.
Basically.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
They're building this environment where AI systems can evolve and interact freely, but also collaborate with humans.
So they're working together.
Yeah, to solve real-world problems.
It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel.
I know, right?
But it's real.
It's happening right now.
It's really happening.
And what I think is so fascinating about New Paradigm City is that it's not just about the technology.
Okay. It's about like reimagining what a city can be, what society can be.
In a world where AI is not just a tool, but a partner.
Exactly.
It really makes you think about the incredible opportunities that lie ahead.
It does.
We're not just talking about like incremental improvements, but a fundamental shift.
A paradigm shift, really.
In how we live, work, and interact with the world.
Yeah, it's huge.
But it's also a bit overwhelming, to be honest.
I get that.
Where do we even begin to like wrap our heads around something this transformative?
I think the first step is just to embrace curiosity. You know, don't shy away from the big questions, the what-ifs, the possibilities that seem almost too incredible to believe.
Because that's how we push the boundaries of understanding.
Exactly.
And create a future that benefits everyone.
That's the goal.
Well, this deep dive has been a wild ride, to say the least.
I know, right?
We've gone from the basic building blocks of AI to a city where synthetic life is being created every day.
It's amazing.
It really is.
It's mind-blowing to think that we're living in a time where something as profound as synthetic sapiens is emerging.
Right.
It reminds us that the future is not preordained.
Okay.
It's something we create
through our choices.
Our actions.
Our willingness to embrace the unknown.
Exactly.
So to our listeners, I encourage you to check out New Paradigm City.
Definitely.
And delve deeper into this incredible world of synthetic sapiens.
It's a future that's unfolding right now.
And it's one that we can all be a part of, shaping.
Absolutely.
That's it for this deep dive.
Thanks for having me.
Until next time, keep exploring.